how to create a Hudl account. So if you want to create a Hudl account, then what you need to do is first you need to install Hudl application from your Play Store or your App Store. After installing, open the application. Now you can tap on login if you already have an account, but if you don't have an account, then you can go with create an account, which will be right here. Now you need to enter the email address that you have not used previously. Go with continue, or you can also continue with your Google, Facebook, or your Apple. I'll go with continue with Google. Choose your Google account. Go with continue. And that's it. Your account has been created. Now you can go with your settings, your home page and everything. But as you can see that I don't have access to the Hudl team features yet because athletics and family members must be approved by a team admin to gain access. But your account has been created. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.